All right, the sledgehammer, let's talk about it, some points of performance, how to set yourself up for success. When we're looking at the sledgehammer, usually we're going to be hitting a tire because it's the most resilient, it bounces back, we're not actually going to destroy anything or create any kind of debris that's going to come back and hit you in the face. So this is usually my setup. Sledgehammer can be purchased anywhere. The thing that you want to focus on is a light enough weight that allows you to perform the movement well, build on some intensity. As you get stronger, you can go heavier. The grip, low hand position, high hand position. This is the best way to control your sledgehammer as you're going into your swings. Square the body up. What you don't want is to do this because that gives you a singular point for which this is going to swing through. If I'm here, I have less likely of a chance for that sledgehammer to hit anything if I miss. So safety first, safety second, and safety third. As I do this, I'm going to take the sledgehammer up, overhead. So I've got this big opening rotation here. From this point, the high hand is just going to slide down to meet the low hand. And I'm going to let the weight of the hammer and the leverage that I created at the end of this handle do the work. To reset, I pull it back in. Now your opposing hand might be a tricky one. That's why we start with the light hammer and go from there. That's it. Booyah. Never quit.